Hi friends, welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today we're going to be making stabilized whipped cream. So let's get started. Okay, right in my mixer, I've got 4 cups of heavy whipping cream in here fitted with my whisk attachment. And I've got some beef gelatin. You can either use a packet of unflavored gelatin, or if you use a little bit less than a tablespoon, that will be the same as one of those packets. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a little less than a tablespoon. About that much. And we're going to get that into our bowl. We're going to put 3 tablespoons of cold water in with our gelatin, unflavored gelatin. And we're going to give that a stir. There we go. And we're going to let that sit for a little bit. And the unflavored gelatin doesn't add any taste to the whipped cream. It just stabilizes it where it doesn't just deflate when you leave it in the fridge. You can ice a cake. I will try to link a photo of a cake that I iced with the whipped cream frosting. It's really light and nice for a frosting on a cake, and you can add gel food coloring to it and pipe little flowers or anything you want on the cake, and it's very nice. Usually, if I'm going to ice a cake with this stabilized whipped cream, then I make it right before I'm going to decorate the cake and ice it up. Today I'm just using it for angel food cake, some stabilized whipped cream. That way it doesn't deflate in the fridge and it'll stay nice, the whipped cream, for a while with the stabilizer in it. It's really delicious. Y'all got to give it a try if you like to make your own whipped cream, or if you would like to decorate a cake with it. It makes a very nice light frosting. Okay, our gelatin looks nice. It's all bloomed, and so I've got boiling water I put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes. So we're going to get 3 tablespoons of this boiling water, and this is going to dissolve the gelatin really nicely. And we're going to give that a stir. It's going to make it nice and smooth. Okay, there we go. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla into our whipping cream. Homemade whipped cream tastes really good. It's way better than the frozen Cool Whip in the freezer section. It's really good if you have the time to make it homemade. I'm going to grab my spatula. Okay, and we're going to get this going, and then we're going to put the sugar in a little bit at a time. This is 3/4 cup of sugar. Make sure that's locked. I think I got some on the counter. On the cabinet. Ooh, that is good. Look how nice and thick that is. Delicious whipped cream. it's stabilized. This stuff is really good. See how thick that is? That is really thick and delicious. The mixer was going, so I don't know if you heard me, but you just pour all the stabilizer in. Once it gets really fluffy, you pour it all in at once and then whip it up some more so it goes all throughout the stabilizer. Okay, let's give it a taste. It looks delicious. Ooh, that is so good. It's really, really good. Y'all have to give this a try. It tastes just like Cool Whip, no taste of, you can't taste the gelatin stabilizer at all. It's really delicious. And it's super easy to make. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you like this video, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!